Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Get ready for a wild ride into the world of jet trucks. These powerful machines, armed with jet engines, scream down racetracks at jaw-dropping speeds. They're the stars of air shows, drag races, and exhibitions, captivating audiences with their incredible power and speed. Jet trucks represent the fusion of aviation and automotive engineering, pushing the limits of land-based transportation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest agricultural innovations. Enter the fascinating world of building demolition, a realm where precision and power harmonize in an orchestrated symphony of deconstruction. Skilled experts, armed with a variety of methods, from the mighty swing of a wrecking ball to the surgical precision of explosive charges, strategically dismantle structures. In this controlled chaos, the art of demolition showcases human engineering and control, enabling new construction and development to rise from the ruins. Demolition transforms destruction into progress, redefining the urban landscape and shaping the future of our cities. Immerse yourself in the forest's grandeur and witness the symphony of logging operations with the Komatsu 951XC at the forefront. Designed for robustness and precision, this formidable machine conquers the challenges of harvesting timber with ease. It navigates through dense forests, felling and processing trees with remarkable efficiency. Timber harvesting is more than just lumber. It's the foundation of countless products and industries, from construction to furniture and paper. The Komatsu 951XC exemplifies the synergy between technology and nature, ensuring that our demand for wood products aligns harmoniously with sustainable forest management, preserving these vital ecosystems for generations to come. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Experience the awe-inspiring world of demolition in a marble quarry, orchestrated by the Kawasaki KCM 115. This colossal machine wields power and precision to dismantle the massive structures of rock with finesse. The Marble Quarry, a place where nature's beauty and human innovation intersect, demands equipment that can harmonize with its environment. The Kawasaki KCM 115 represents the pinnacle of machinery in this endeavor. It ensures that this demolition process is carried out efficiently and effectively, paving the way for new chapters of construction and creativity. Witness the grandeur of stone giants bowing to modern engineering as the Kawasaki KCM 115 takes center stage in the evolving landscape of marble quarry demolition. Immerse yourself in the dynamic world of logging operations, where the unyielding power of machinery meets the untamed wilderness of the forest. Colossal machines, driven by precision engineering, gracefully transform rugged timberland into valuable resources, handling massive logs with finesse. From felling tower trees to processing the harvested timber into essential wood products, the logging process stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the delicate balance between industry and environmental conservation. It plays a pivotal role in the intricate ballet of power and sustainability, ensuring the responsible management of our forests and the production of the wood products that are so crucial to our daily lives. Intrigued by the technology of logging operations? Share your thoughts below. Dive deeper into the world of snow removal, a seasonal symphony where the purity of winter's embrace meets the relentless power of specialized machines. From snowplows affixed to rugged trucks, their imposing blades carving through drifts, to colossal snow blowers that exhale storms, these mechanical marvels are winners and sun heroes. They toil ceaselessly, often under the most extreme conditions, ensuring that our roads, streets, and walkways remain passable, safe, and clear. As we revel in the pristine beauty of winter, these formidable contraptions silently navigate the challenging landscapes, and with each pass, they reaffirm our dominion over nature's frozen winds. Theirs is a tireless effort, a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. making sure that even when the snow falls thick and heavy, life continues unabated. Embark on a journey into the world of vessel unloading, a pivotal process in the global supply chain. These operations are a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and meticulous engineering, facilitating the seamless transfer of goods from colossal ships to land-based transportation. Towering cranes gently pluck containers from the vessel's deck, delicately placing them onto awaiting trucks and trains. This intricate ballet of human expertise and mechanical precision ensures that commodities from every corner of the globe can be efficiently distributed. Each container's graceful transition marks a chapter in the narrative of worldwide trade, uniting distant corners of the earth through commerce and connectivity. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. Step into the world of mechanized pumpkin picking. The latest technology has revolutionized the process, making it not only more efficient, but also environmentally friendly. From specialized machines that delicately pluck ripe pumpkins from the vine to automated sorting and packaging systems, every step of the mechanized harvest is a symphony of innovation. This evolution not only simplifies the pumpkin harvesting process, but also ensures the sustainability of vital ecosystems for generations to come. It's where technology and tradition intertwine to bring the vibrant beauty of fall to your doorstep while reducing your environmental footprint. Step into the world of waste pumping, a vital process that often goes unnoticed but plays an important role in keeping our modern world functioning. Advanced technology and precision engineering combine to move waste from various sources to its final destination efficiently and safely. These complex operations ensure that waste is handled properly, preventing environmental hazards and supporting sustainable waste management practices. From municipal waste management systems to industrial facilities, the precision and innovation behind waste transfer are key to keeping our communities clean and safe. Explore the invisible world of waste handling, where efficiency and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Immerse yourself in the world of wood chopping, a practice that combines tradition with modern innovations for efficiency and sustainability. From traditional axes to state-of-the-art log splitters, technology has revolutionized the way we prepare firewood and manage wood resources. Take a closer look at the various tools and techniques involved, highlighting the balance between tradition and innovation. This is the world of wood chopping, where precision and power unite to make an essential task easier and more eco-friendly. Whether it's for heating, cooking, or craftsmanship, understanding the art of wood chopping is a testament to human ingenuity and the responsible use of our natural resources. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!